it has been forever and a minute since I've done one of my Floral Oasis pieces. This is one of the pieces that was really popular back many, many moons ago, and probably would still be popular now if I would only create more. So that is what I'm going to do here today. My Floral Oasis pieces are just like the half flower, and then I go ahead and I add in different color petals on each flower. The difference of what I'm going to do with this piece, and this is going to be part one, and going to be adding this beautiful, rich, red-violet background, which I will say, by the way, this is not coming out as vibrant as it is in person through the video. The actual final output will be so much more vivid, but what I'm going to do is what I've always done in the past of add in different shapes and kind of little color blocks and stuff. But because I have this massive romantic love affair with my white Posca pens these days and black Posca pens, I'm going to go ahead and just add in lots of elements. So I'm outlining to give it a little bit of a boost and a 3D look. And then I'm going to just invade this with all kinds of doodles and mixed media. So be sure to stay tuned. Double tap like, follow, and share for more.